Hi, this is Dr. Leon, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your retainers, because if you've been brushing your retainers with toothpaste, you've been doing it wrong. I know it feels like the cleanest option, but it's actually not great because toothpaste can be super abrasive on your retainers, slowly scratching them, and over time, it's going to ruin them. And worse, it doesn't even clean them, so imagine you're putting in something that's full of bacteria into your mouth every single day. And any dental appliance that isn't cleaned properly is basically a breeding ground for bacteria, plaque, and buildup, which is something that you don't want sitting in your mouth for hours and even worse overnight. So let's get into how to properly clean these retainers. I am going to show you what I use, and it is the Dental Pod. Gonna make your life so much easier. You put water in there and then your retainers, and you let it do its magic for 5 minutes, and they are gonna turn out super clean. And this is amazing because you can just put them in there before you start brushing your teeth, brush your teeth, do your whole oral routine, and then by the time you're done, your retainers are gonna be nice and clean. And you can do this every single day. It's super easy. And so let me show you how to do it.
Okay, so these are my retainers before, pretty cloudy from the plaque buildup, and brushing them daily just isn't cutting it anymore. They definitely need a deep clean, so I grab my Zima Dental Pod Pro, pop off the modular base, fill it up between the minimum and max lines with water, click it back on, drop my retainers in, and press one button. That's literally how simple it is. It uses ultrasonic waves at a precise frequency to break down plaque and lift stains gently. Actually, the same kind of technology we use in clinic, which means you're getting a true deep clean. While that's running, I just get on with the rest of my routine, brushing, skincare, or whatever I have to do. What I also love about the Zima Dental Pod is that it comes in different colors, so it actually looks good sitting on your bathroom shelf or beside the table, because I'm all about aesthetics. I've generally noticed such a difference in my oral hygiene once I started using it, and honestly, my retainers look and smell so much better since I started using it. Okay, the cycle is done. We're going to take out our retainers and then just rinse them underwater, and then we're going to see how squeaky clean they turn out. Super clean. They look brand new. No buildup, no odor, just crystal clean, fresh retainers. Then I just pop them straight into my Zima UV case, which uses UV technology to keep bacteria off between cleans.
Look how crystal clear these retainers are now, and it was as easy as that. Just put them in the Dental Pod while you do your oral care routine, and then they're nice and clean. So now you know how to have super squeaky clean retainers that will not have bacteria going into your mouth every single day. I'll leave a link in the description below. See you next video.